Today, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth, expanding text animation using Mesh Wrap in After Effects. First, create a new text layer in your composition and type in your word. Adjust the font size and spacing so the typography feels balanced. Now center the text in your composition. Hold Alt and use the arrow keys to fine-tune the tracking until the text forms a clean rectangular block. Next, go to Effects and Presets and search for Mesh Wrap. Apply it to your text layer. Set the rows to 2, columns to 4, and quality to 8. Now go to frame 0 and enable a keyframe for distortion mesh. Move forward to frame 20. Click on Mesh Wrap again. Shift select the grid points you want to move. Now hold Shift and press the right arrow key to push those selected grid points sideways. Stretch the grid so the text fills the gray box completely. Repeat this every 20 frames. First move it to the right, then down, then left, and finally up. Each time, stretch the grid to match the box shape. Now to loop the animation, copy the first keyframe at frame 0 and paste it after your last keyframe. Next, select all keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor and adjust the curves to create a more elastic, bouncy motion. Right-click on the keyframes and open keyframe velocity. Set the incoming influence to 70% and the outgoing influence to 60%. And that's it. Your smooth expanding typography animation is complete. Try applying this technique to titles, logos, or any text animation project. And I'll see you in the next one.